Hello viewers, welcome to Hopeful Living channel. So today I'm going to demonstrate a tire removal process. So what we need is two park tool tire levers, and we have a wheel here that's a disc wheel, and the rim is 622 by 21C, and the tire that is sitting on here is 700 by 23C. This is a road bike tire. Okay, so here we go. We stick in the sloping end of the tire lever and not the hook end onto the tire, and then we take the support of one of the spokes to hold it in place. Okay, yeah, this way, right? And then we take the second tire lever, and then it's smooth. Just slide it. Yeah, that's it.